This is the 11 a.m. update. Just came out just now. So winds at 130 moving north at 9 miles per hour. This is something that we were watching over the past few hours or so. Instead of that northwesterly motion that we had been seeing with all the previous runs and all the previous computer models, we saw the eye of the storm start to move more north than northwest. Let's see where this takes us here. So this has the cone a little farther inland here, and this actually looks a little closer to the coast than the previous runs. The previous run, I think, had the icon just slightly over here to the west, the center of the track a little more west. So this is just slightly, a little bit of a jog to the east for that track. And then the inside of the cone, so this is a little more actually to the east too, the eastern side of the cone, a little more over to the east than the previous computer model run, which means this is much closer to a landfall, possibly right over the Tampa area. So that's what we're looking at here, and Chief Meteorologist Steve Weigel is going to jump in here in just a moment. He just walked in the room, I know. So the track just a tad bit east of where it was earlier this morning for the previous track, and the computer models have been trending that way because the storm had taken more of a northerly motion here instead of that northwesterly track that we had been seeing on the previous computer model runs.